All right, sports fans, once again, we got another adventure out here. We're braving the wild rapids up here in Beavers Bend State Park. This is, I don't know, class 5 or something like this. I don't know what the exact classification of rapids are, but we're rapidly approaching them. As you can see, Cheryl, she's kind of an expert when it comes to kayaking or pretty much just about anything. See, she's right now, she's giving me a little direction on how to even film things. So she.
Can it tempt you over?
No, I do not want you to tempt me over, because it would mean war if you did that. Okay. Yes, this is a very serious video that I'm doing, so I'm not trying to be anything other than who I am.
I'm just trying to stay steady here. Get away.
All right, so we'll hopefully we'll be able to document a little bit more of this little trip. There she goes. World-renowned kayaker.
Peace out.
Peace out.